Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation by Guided Meditation Voyage. Today we will embark on a peaceful journey to find inner calm, stillness, and balance within ourselves. Take this time to let go of stress, to connect with your breath, and to embrace the peace that already resides within you. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position, whether on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair. Rest your hands gently on your lap, palms facing up, and allow your eyes to close softly. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and gently exhale through your mouth. Let go of any tension or stress in your body. Take a few more deep breaths at your own pace, feeling yourself grounded in this present moment. Now, bring your awareness to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Notice how each inhale fills you with fresh energy and how each exhale releases any heaviness or worries you may be carrying. With every breath, imagine yourself becoming lighter, more relaxed, and at peace. As you continue to breathe, imagine a soft, warm light forming at the center of your chest where your heart resides. This light represents your inner peace, your calm center. With each breath, feel this light grow brighter and expand, filling your chest with warmth and comfort. Let this peaceful energy travel throughout your entire body. From your chest, let it flow to your shoulders, down your arms, into your fingertips. Let it spread through your torso, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your toes. You are enveloped in this gentle, calming light. You are safe. You are at peace. If thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and then gently bring your focus back to your breath and the growing light within you. Remind yourself that inner peace is always available to you, no matter what external circumstances you may face. Take a moment now to sit in stillness, feeling the full presence of this inner calm. Allow it to soothe your mind and body, reminding you that peace is always within reach in every breath. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling fully grounded in this peaceful energy you've cultivated. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your physical body. In your own time, blink your eyes open, bringing yourself back to the present moment, carrying the sense of inner peace with you throughout the day. Thank you for joining me on this journey to finding inner peace. If you found this meditation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage. Namaste.